Hey guys, Vintage Harbories, etc. Back with another ceiling fan video. Today we're going to be filming my Hunter Adirondack. I apologize for it being extremely filthy, but bear with me. Anyways, yeah, this fan is 4 speeds. It's got this type of blade design and it's very badly warped. Sadly, yeah, it needs some work. Eventually I'm gonna fix it up, but we're just testing it. Here's the light. Only 2 lights work right now. The other 2 are burnt out. Let's start with low. This Adirondack has a bad capacitor. I mean, what do you honestly expect? This thing is in horrible shape. I didn't have blade screws for it for the longest time, and now I finally do. So yeah, this is the low speed. It's not pushing anything. This is just for looks. Here's the functional low. I'll just keep the lights on. Yeah, this is functional low. You can feel air from it now. It's also wobbling, as you can see. Here's medium. I'm blowing good air now. And here's high. This is either being slowed down by the warped blade, or it has a bad cap, like I said. But either way, it's blowing really good air right now. But let's turn this off. This has been sitting around for a few years now without any blade screws. And I think the bearings are going bad because look at how fast it stops. Well, I guess it's not spinning down as fast as I thought it would, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Vintage Harbories, etc. out.